Welcome to section 8 of the course, which is factor analysis and creating custom graphs. In this section, we will first learn about what is principal factor analysis. Then we will learn principal factor analysis and perform factor extraction and initial factor pattern using an example. Then we will create scatter plots and line graphs using ggplot. And at the end, we will look at creating charts and box plots using procgchart and procboxplot. Let's begin with the first video of introduction to principal factor analysis. Factor analysis is a method of data reduction. It is done by looking for unobservable variables that are reflected in the observed variables. This technique is useful when there is large sample size, since it is based on the correlation matrix of all the involved variables. There are various component and common factor analysis and rotations that are performed using the factor procedure. This procedure can factor either the correlation or covariance matrix, and the result is saved in an output dataset. There are different methods such as principal axis factor, principal component analysis, principal factor analysis, image component analysis, maximum likelihood, unweighted least squares, etc., which are used to perform factor analysis or factor extraction. There are various methods of rotations which are also available, like Varimax, Equimax, Orthomax, Quantimax, etc. When we will look at the example, we will see how we can use these different methods of rotation. For performing factor analysis, you also need to determine the number of factors that needs to be extracted. Since there are so many techniques available for factor analysis, it is very likely that different analysts analyze the same data set in varied manner, resulting in different results. So it is very much possible that the same data set yields different results because there are various techniques which are available for factor analysis. But at the end result is always a simple structure yielding results determining the factor on which the variables are dependent. So it does not matter which technique is being used for factor analysis, the end result will always be the same. The output of factor analysis includes means, standard deviations, correlations, Kaiser's measures of sampling adequacy, the rotated primary factor pattern, and many more. Now let's understand what is the term factor. The term factor is very important and is classified as common factor and unique factor. The common factor is referred to as unobservable hypothetical variable that has an impact on the variance of minimum two observed variables. The unique factor is referred to as unobservable hypothetical variable that has an impact on the variance of only one of the observed variables. The equation for the common factor model is Yij is equal to Xij Bij plus Xi2 B2j and so on plus Eij, where Yij is the value of the ith observation on the jth variable. Xij is the value of the ith observation on the kth common factor and so on. Eij is the value of the ith observation on the jth unique factor, and Q is the number of common factors. In common factor analysis, residuals are the unique factors, and these are not correlated with each other and also with the common factors. The common factor has to contribute to at least two variables, else it is considered as a unique factor. During the initial extraction of the factors, it is assumed that the common factors are not correlated to each other and unit variances there.